Hi guys, and welcome back to Juicy Killer Monster. I'm Justin, my
And
wife's
I'm Lucy.
Together we are Juicy. For everyone who's seen us before, thanks for supporting us. If you're new to the channel, lots of videos about our house and garden and all the other stuff. Check it out. So today's video is we're going to clean this bin with our battery powered jet wash using a bucket of water and the hose that come with it. If you want to see more videos about the jet wash, we've done loads, and there's one testing the whole thing out. So if you wanted to buy one, it's not sponsored, but it is really good, and we're going to see how good it is at doing this bin. So I'm going to take my nozzle off, put that in my pocket, and what I've done here, that I filled this up with water from the water button. I put some fairy liquid in, it's green. You can use any chemicals you want, but we're just using the household chemicals we've got. So push this in there, pull this back, click it in, bosh, now we've got a spray bottle. So after that, I drop this filter screen into our bucket of water, and I get me hose end and click him in position. Lucky that didn't spray out.
Crikey,
here,
do you know what? I thought that was actually going to hit me.
Right, so
I would not have been impressed.
Got a battery on, got a hose on. So what we're going to do first, guys, we're going to cover the bin inside and out. It's just been collected. Oh, there's a bit of rubbish in there. Let me just get me grabber from Greenhouse. Let me get me grabber of death. Get this bit of plastic out. Okay, so the bin's just been collected. We've never cleaned this bin before, so let's have a go. If you show them a before, what the bin looks like.
Filthy, dirty, disgusting and stinky. Yes.
There we go. Couldn't tell it better myself. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to use the soapy water first. Then we're going to use this little brush down here to aggravate all the dirt off, and then we're going to blast it off. And the challenge is to do it with one bucket of water, okay? So what we're going to do, press the trigger, and it's going to prime through. So it's going to grab all the water through, and then once it starts spraying, we're in business. Let's give it a go. Boom. Stand back, Lou.
You got me. Thanks. We're getting covered, guys.
Okay, right, Liz, if you show them with the what the soap's like.
Oh, what the soap's like?
No, in the bin.
Oh.
So you get an idea.
Yep. Yep. So it's all primed up.
So
Just
guys,
still have to get all that mud and stuff off the side.
Again, like I said before, this comes with two nozzles, a high direct one or a 40-degree angle. My personal favourite is a 40-degree angle one. I'm going to leave that there. While we've got the soap on it, just give it a good brush. We've never cleaned this bin before.
No, it needs it though, doesn't it? It really does.
So if you come around there, Don, you can see what I'm doing.
Okay.
Try and get an up close footage for the good people's
Have a look.
YouTube. So I know you're thinking, guys, oh, why are you using fairy liquid? Get chemicals. This isn't about getting chemicals and stuff like that. If you go around this way, this is about just showing you what you can do with what you've got at home. Now obviously if your bin's really bad, use the professionals. There's loads of professionals out there and they do an amazing job. So if you're a bin cleaner, good on you. We know you work hard, and this in no way is saying that this is better than a professional bin cleaner service. Yeah. If you have a camera fit, this is in no way saying it's better than a professional bin cleaning service. Obviously The professional bin cleaners are mint, but this is what you can do at home if you can't afford a professional bin service cleaner. We want to buy one of these. Okay, so that's as far as I can reach down.
Yeah, the jet wash will do the rest anyway, won't it?
Yeah, so I'm just going to do this. We'll see how well we do, guys. Gets in here loose, doing all the work here.
Yeah, we come around here.
Okay.
Got your red hair in the shop.
No,
Primed up.
over here, though.
Coming.
Right, so there we go. We've agitated it with the brush. Now this is just a brush. You might want to stand further back, though. This is just a brush we found in the greenhouse. So we've got our 40-degree hose on. We've got our hose going into the water there. What are we looking like at water, Liz?
Pretty good. Used a quarter of it.
Right, Lucy
over.
try and get some real close action shots
Okay, let's
without
get
getting the
close.
camera wet, but it's hard, guys.
Yeah, I
you know?
get splattered, so I can't
Here
get
we
too
go, ready?
close. Wow, that come up nice.
Let me just grab the brush. So if there's any bits I've missed, look, what we've got to do, just agitate it a bit more.
This jet wash comes out daily, doesn't it? Literally.
Yeah.
We use it every day for something. You get that bit, it's annoying me.
What are we looking?
Yeah, all good.
Right, I'll go right there, guys. Film this bit,
Yeah. That's pretty
Too bad
good.
at the moment, guys. Right, let's do this. Okay, so have a look at the inside.
So it's still a little bit grubby on the sides and there and there
Let's give it a
and down
go.
there.
Try and film what you can do.
Yeah, I am.
You go on that side, darling. Where's my brush? Let me grab my brush. So once again, guys, if there's any bits I've missed or bit stubborn bits, have a look here and see if we can get this bit off. Now the guys that do bin cleaning, guys, use proper chemicals, really high powered jet wash. Just so you know, this is 30 psi of pressure, but it only cost 18 quid.
Can we get this bit? It's really solid.
So give it a
Oh,
go.
that's better. Yay! Look.
I'll try and go as low as I can. You try and film if you go on that side. Right, so I'll put this down a sec. We'll just keep filming. What we're going to do, drain the water off and see what the bottom of it is like.
Ew.
You're going to get a bit of mud on it.
Dirty wordy.
Okay, let's have a little check, please.
Yeah, underneath dirty. But it looks pretty good. Oh, down
So-
there's a bit grubby, isn't it?
Try and grab.
Clean now.
Me grab the other brush.
Yeah, I'm filming. Just examining it.
Yes, good time.
Down there is a bit dirty. It still needs cleaning. But yeah, not bad. Not bad at all.
But you put the phone in.
Right. So
That'll
this is
be the
the only
next
other
thing.
brush I've got, guys. We just use what we've got. Can't get there with that. So let's try. Got this little brush here, guys. We found scrapping years ago. Let's have a little feel. Agitate it a bit.
I can tip you upside down. We can use your hair as a mop.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. You think that's right, guys? Put in the comments. Should I use my hair as a
Yeah,
mop?
that'll do a great job, isn't it? Absolute great job.
There we go. Look. Just using what we got, guys. Yeah. So we haven't got any special tools. We've got a little jet wash and that, but we've got it anyway. But we're just using what we've got. Let's have a go. Right. That's moved it all. Let's have a go with the jet wash and see how we get on. Are we looking for water, Luce?
Oh, I haven't even looked. Oh, wow. We're not looking very good, are we?
So we'll give it one last blast.
Go on
eh?
then.
I haven't got much water left, guys.
We'll make it last. Yeah. Oh. He got me, guys. He got me on my leg. I'm a wounded soldier.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm
You
a
watching?
wounded soldier. Down there there's a bit, which is really bad.
Right. Let's tip it out again. Let's see what it looks like.
Do you know what? It looks a lot cleaner than before, I have to say.
Look, guys, have a look. Get there, Liz. Look how clean that looks.
Wow.
Not bad, eh?
Wow, wow, wow.
Right, one little blast on the outside.
Down here.
Stop, stop, stop. You're going to go too forward. And there you go, guys. There you go. Using 10 litres of water, a piece of fairy liquid, a couple of little brushes, and the jet wash. Luce, what are you doing? She looks like she's about to turn you off, guys.
No,
We
I'm
ain't
not turning you off, don't worry.
So Lucy's going to give you the final look around the bin. You remember what it looked like before. First time we've ever cleaned our bin, and we lived there about 6 months.
Yeah.
So Lucy will show you around the bin.
Okay. So we have, apart from these bits, just a bit of dirt. But yeah, to be honest, it actually looks really good. I have to be fair, it does look really good. Obviously there's a few little bits that have sort of sprung up, but it does look really, really clean. We didn't do underneath, did we? But we ran out of water.
That doesn't matter.
But you know, it looks much cleaner than it did. So yeah, I would say the jet wash works to clean bins.
There you go, guys.
100%.
So if you've ever had your so if you don't feel confident enough to clean your own bins, obviously look for the professional companies out there, guys with vans that will come out and do it, and I'm sure they'll do it for a great price. This video isn't to say that this jet wash is better than that surface, but it is an alternative if you buy one of these machines, and we're
Yeah.
not sponsored. If you buy one of these machines, we use them every day, and all our videos are about doing our garden, cutting the grass, doing plants, jet washing the plants, cleaning the windows, bins, everything, okay? It's a good alternative if you want to do it, because that cost 18 quid. A bit of fairy liquid and some water from the water butt. So
Let me just
I'm
check how much
happy.
water we got. And we did it with pretty much a bucket of water.
less than 10 litres
Yeah,
of water, guys.
I'm happy with that.
Less than 10 litres of water, a couple of drops of fairy liquid, and not very long to do it at all. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Look out for our next video, which is going to be setting up a water butt to an already water butt system. Be sure to check that out. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember, when life gets hard, just keep on
Keep it on.
See you
Bye,
later.
guys.